welcome to my channel. Today I am in a collaboration hosted by Crystal at Justcraftingoverhere. It's a one-day upload, hashtag outofthisworldcollab, crafter's choice. I will be linking everybody's channel down below in the description box. My alien is named Steve. He came by to give me something, but he seems friendly. He doesn't want to harm me. So let's see what Steve is bringing by. He's waving hi, it looks like to me. I don't know. But he looks friendly enough, right? We shall see. He's turning some other lights on right now. There he is. Hi, Steve. You have something for me, right? So, let's see what our Steve has. He brought me some ATC cards. He wants me to pass them out to my Earth friends. And he wants to pass the word that he is friendly alien and he doesn't want to hurt anybody. So, Steve, I will do that. I will send my ATC cards out. He sent me 3, but he knows I need a lot more than that. So, you guys, I want to thank my daughter and my husband for helping me with this collab. It was a great team effort, and the alien was made with clay, and my spaceship was made with paper plates. It's hard to see in this lighting right here, but the other picture had the spaceship, and it was black. So I thought this was a lot of fun project, and the lighting was great on it, and I really enjoyed the process of making this. So Steve wants to show the ATC cards now. Here are my ATCs that Steve gave me. Aren't they nice? He says I need to give them to my crafting earthling friends. He is heading home now. So Steve, have a nice trip home. And I want to thank Crystal at Justcraftingoverhere for coming up with this collaboration and hosting it and letting me join this collab. I had a lot of fun. Totally out of my comfort zone, but this was a lot of fun. And I want to thank my husband as well. He's a sci-fi nerd. So here are the ATC cards that were given to me, so I can give them away. And so I hope you guys all are doing well, and I want you guys to stay safe. Check out the rest of the collaborators. Be well, and of course, God bless.